G'day, it's Terry from the hut. I'm here with the Bushman's Crafts and the second in our series of the Makers Kits. And this kit today is the cord holder. We all have cords in our life today, and here's a little product that we can easily put together out of one piece of leather and a little post there keeps it all nice and tidy. What you get is your kit in a moleskin bag. There will be 2 pieces of leather, pre-cut and pre-punched. These will be actually oversized for the templates that we will supply. Now in the kit there's instructions and the template. And what I've got here is 2 different shapes, one being the rectangular, one being the circular shape. So I've cut them out, and with the 2 pieces, you can either have 2 rectangulars or you have the circular one. It's a personal choice. But what I've done here is actually taken the rectangular one. Now it's very important to note that these holes that are punched in the leather, and here are described on the template, they're in position. The bottom hole will have a little slit in it, which allows for the post to go through. We call that a little keyhole punch. So you've got to make sure that's at the bottom. You'll see the branding on the top. Now to cut it out is to put your piece of leather down, template on top, trace it out with a scribe or a pen or a pencil. Now you can either cut your leather with a pair of scissors, a good pair of sharp scissors will do the trick. Other than that, Stanley knife, but make sure you've got a nice straight edge. A steel ruler is ideal for that, and a board to cut it on. So if you just carefully cut your piece out, which I've already done here. So we've cut out the leather in triangle. Now with our post, our fixture here, if you take the top hole, and if you poke through the screw from the back through to the front and take the little post, screw it onto the front here. Now do this up finger tight, you don't have to go too tight with it. So there is the cord holder here with our cord, the rectangular one. It goes in. Now at the start it'll be a little bit stiff and tight, but that's natural and that's good. Now, a good idea is to put a bit of leather conditioner on this. This is veg tan leather, ideal for this purpose, and as it gets older it will just age lovely for you. So I hope you get a lot of pleasure out of not only making it but using this for young and old. And until next time, it's Hooroo from the hut.